In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps while driving. Before you pull out of your driveway, take a minute to set things up. Open Google Maps on your PC or on your phone. Using a computer is great for planning because you get a big picture view of the area, but the phone app is what you'll use in the car. If you're on your phone, open the Google Maps app and make sure location services and sound are on so you can hear turn-by-turn directions. The key is to do this prep while parked, not while moving. Next, enter your destination and tap or click directions. In the search bar, type the exact address or the name of the place you're going. Maps will drop a pin and show you a card with details. Selecting directions tells Maps to build a route. If you're on your phone, it will usually use your current location as the starting point automatically. On a computer, you can choose a starting point if you're planning ahead. Take a second to confirm you picked the right place by checking the city or nearby landmarks that appear on the preview. Now select Driving Mode. At the top of the route screen, you'll see travel options. Choose the car icon so Maps knows you're driving. This matters because other modes like walking or transit give very different routes and timing. Once you're in driving mode, you'll see an estimated arrival time and distance tailored to current traffic. Before you hit start, review the route and make any adjustments you need. Look over the primary route and any alternatives highlighted on the map. If an alternate saves time or avoids heavy traffic, tap it to switch. You can also view the step-by-step list to understand major turns, highways, and exits ahead of time. If you prefer to avoid tolls or ferries, open road options and toggle those preferences. Double-check that the route makes sense for you. Then press Start to begin navigation. As you drive, follow the voice prompts and glance at the map only when it's safe. Keep the phone in a stable mount with an easy view and rely on the audio cues for upcoming turns and lane guidance. If you miss a turn, don't worry. Maps will recalculate and guide you back on course. That's all there is to it. Set it up before you go, choose driving mode, review the route, and start your trip with confidence.